Hi everybody, today I'm preparing vegan pancakes. The ingredients of this vegan pancakes are 2 cups of flour, half teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 2 cups of almond milk. It's a vegan milk. First step is to pour the 2 cups of flour, then the half teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and the last, the milk. 2 cups of milk. First and the second. Now it's time to mix them very well. Be careful. And this is how it looks like after mixing them very well. Our last step is to bake the vegan pancakes. After heating the frying pan very well, we pour the oil. Then we wait until it's heated. Okay. Then we have to pour our mixture. Eating time. Of course, if you're lenting, you're not going to eat with it Nutella. So the alternatives are maple syrup, molasses, granted sugar. I'm going to eat it with molasses. Ooh, it looks delicious. Let me try it. Okay. So yummy. Try it, you will not regret it. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Let me eat.